Are you ready to check out the best electric bikes of 2025? Today, we're diving into the latest and most powerful models on the market. These bikes offer the perfect mix of speed, durability, and comfort, making your ride smoother and your life easier. Plus, they're a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Let's get started and see which electric bikes are going to make your 2025 a lot better. Number 5. Isinwheel U1. Imagine cruising through city streets effortlessly while carrying everything you need without breaking a sweat. Meet the Isinwheel U7. This e-bike is all about comfort, versatility, and load capacity wrapped into one awesome package. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in. With a powerful 500-watt motor, you can hit speeds up to 20 miles per hour with ease. And when it comes to climbing hills, the 750-watt peak power has got your back. No sweat, just smooth rides. Its 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery gives you an impressive range of up to 55 miles. Long rides? No problem, just enjoy the journey. Need to carry stuff? No worries, the sturdy front and rear racks can handle up to 330 pounds. Whether it's grocery runs or heavy cargo, this bike's got you covered. Plus, the step-through frame and shock-absorbing seat make every ride super comfortable. And with top-notch safety certifications, the Isinwheel U7 has your back when it comes to a secure and worry-free ride. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on weekend adventures, this e-bike is ready to level up your journey. Number 4. Jasion EB5. Meet the future of city commuting. The Jasion EB5 is the perfect choice for your daily rides with its powerful motor and sleek design. With its 500-watt brushless motor, it delivers high performance on every ride, and the removable 360-watt-hour battery ensures you can go for long rides without worry. But here's the best part, it's foldable. You can easily store it in small spaces and carry it on public transport with zero hassle. Comfort is also a top priority. With its comfy seat and ergonomic handlebars, every ride feels smooth and comfortable. Plus, it's priced just right, giving you top-notch features without breaking the bank, which sets the Jasion EB5 apart from other e-bikes on the market. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and budget-friendly e-bike, the Jasion EB5 is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this awesome bike that'll make your city commute easier and way more fun. Number 3. Tern HSD. Experience the freedom to move. Tern HSD. Electric bike, ready to level up your daily routine. Meet the Tern HSD, your ultimate solution for cruising through the city, picking up groceries, dropping the kids off at school, or just heading out for weekend adventures. It's compact but seriously powerful. Maneuvering through tight city streets? No problem. Tackling steep hills? Easy. And with its impressive cargo capacity, hauling shopping bags or small loads is a breeze. But it's not just practical, it's super comfortable too. With large tires and a smooth suspension system, even bumpy roads feel like a joyride. Plus, the flexible design means riders of all sizes can enjoy a perfect fit every time. Whether you're commuting to work or out exploring new spots, the Tern HSD is your ticket to ride with freedom and ease. Rediscover the joy of movement and make every day smoother and more fun. Number 2. Actbest Speedy. Ready to conquer every road? Imagine this. You're cruising through city streets, everything around you just a blur. Even on the roughest trails, the only thing holding you back is the horizon. This foldable e-bike is built to take you anywhere you want to go. With its smooth performance and solid design, no road can slow you down. Tough terrain? Heavy traffic? You're in control. Whether you're zipping through the city or tackling rugged paths, this bike has your back with a ride so smooth, you'll forget you're on wheels. And don't worry about weather or distance. Rain, dirt, or rough roads don't stand a chance. Its durable build and waterproof design mean you're covered no matter what the journey throws at you. Long trips? No problem. The powerful battery keeps you going for miles on a single charge. Plus, it's tough enough to handle whatever the elements throw at it. Stay in charge with the LCD screen that shows your speed, distance, and more. Riding at night. The dual light system and reliable brakes give you the confidence to push forward safely. This isn't just a bike, it's your ticket to freedom. So are you ready to ride from city streets to mountain peaks? Let's go and make every journey an adventure. Number 1. Riding Times ZEED8. So what makes the perfect electric bike? Should it be fast, powerful, or comfortable for all kinds of terrain? The Riding Times ZEED8 is the answer to this question. This incredible bike is ready to conquer any road with its 1,500-watt motor power. Thanks to its 20-inch thick tires, it provides maximum grip even on rough terrains, so you'll feel secure and stable on every ride. With a 6-layer full suspension system and dual disc brakes, you can easily tackle any challenging path. And that's not all. In electric mode, it can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, while in pedal-assisted mode, it offers a range of 120 kilometers. Perfect for long trips, right? Its 15.6 amp-hour removable battery can be fully charged in just 6 to 8 hours, so you're always ready to hit the road. With 3 different riding modes, you can use it as an electric bike, a pedal-assisted bike, or a regular bike, whichever suits you best. And of course, the 7-speed gear system ensures complete control at any speed. We didn't forget about night rides either. The front and rear LED lights make sure you can ride safely even in the dark.